Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today is kind of like a exciting day for me because like I've been wanting to do this for a while. So me and my family are going to Castle Airport for like the Air Museum place, and we're gonna we're able to go inside the planes and stuff. And there's a whole bunch of planes, so if you guys know what it is, then obviously you guys know. But yeah. So other exciting news is I got a new used bike. Well, yeah. So I got it off Craigslist for like 20 bucks, and it's actually a pretty good bike. It's like new, like nothing's wrong with this at all. And the only thing that was wrong with it came with a flat tire, but the guy gave us a 2 for it. And then like we just had to adjust the brakes and everything. Boom, perfectly fine. So we took this back wheel off of this bike, which literally was in my last video, and like it's not even a bike no more, it's just the frame. So took the front wheel off of it, because it had more treads in this back wheel that was on it is now right here. The reason we took it off is because it's like super dull and everything. This is the back wheel to the Mongoose. This is literally all the parts I wanted to keep, so you know. And then this is my other bike that we're just gonna either use for parts or fix it up so I can have 2. But for now, that's like my daily one, and it's kind of actually good. And this one's all messed up, so might just take it apart exactly like that one, but keep the whole bike instead of just, you know, you understand. But yeah, so you guys might be able to see me ride it later on in the vlog. So yeah, I'll get to you guys when we get to the museum, and like I'll show you around and stuff. So see you when we're there.
Aircraft near the
No idea what to do.
Please make sure you are well hydrated and drink plenty of fluid. Thank you to event sponsors.
We're allowed to go under there?
Credit Union and CFS.
I'm gonna go.
Enjoy this fabulous
I'm
day.
going in.
Keep those veterans who did not make it home in our hearts. Love what you see. Become a member today.
Let's just see the guns ahead today.
Thank you.
Walk through that little door and on this little rail right here over to there.
Life fact of the day. Holy smokes. I'll cross on chicken, I guess. That work too. I'm gonna show you guys every part of this. Because back when I was in ASA, I learned every part of it. Nah, I'm just kidding. I did. Yeah, I'll get to you guys when the next plane comes. Nothing interesting in this one. We're about to go inside right now. We're just gonna wait until these people move. If you don't go inside, all you gotta do is sit at a sign. Never mind, it's not that interesting. I'm gonna go to the back. Just imagine when like a bullet just shot out this, moved every direction. This is the undercarriage, the side. This is literally a fighter. Not plane. I was about to say a jet. It's a plane. Never mind. See you guys next time. See you guys in the next plane comes, I guess. Oh dang, brother, he had to sit in this. Heck no. Oh dang. Where's that car? Not in the back, the front. The good side. The good side. Should I become a cop? I should, huh?
You can only sit on the other side if you want to sit down on it. But that's the canine. Yeah, that's the canine sits over there.
That's cool. It says stay back. We're super close. Is that bad?
Is it what?
Is it bad because it says stay back?
Yeah, you're supposed to stay back because there are electronics in there.
Oh yeah.
And then on this one, the dog gets extra sensitive when they're
That is some crazy stuff right there.
E25 iQOO
That's a
H model.
crazy.
Doesn't have a glass in front or forward gun.
Talking about something. Look at that one. That's crazy.
It has guns on the side. It has the blister gun. Yeah.
Oh, we can't go to those. Dang it. I'm gonna go say hi to this.
Yeah.
Which World War you think this was? 2 or 1? 2 or 1? Man, they don't have the back open. They don't have the back open, but you know, it feels like a World War II one. I don't know. World War 1. One of them. There's other ones on the motorcycle. Yeah, we are. We totally are. That view. I'm gonna climb. Whatever, wherever it is, up there. Look how old those earmuffs are. Like, put those on, best quality ever.
Come here, Junie.
I'll jump off this. That's crazy. Just imagine back when they worked too. Everything. Old. Come on, should I jump? It's shiny. Tight space.
This is the upside. That's the downside.
This is a tanker plane. So what would happen is, like, if a jet was on a long distance travel or something, this would fly above it. This would come down and then basically attach to the jet and just let out gas, basically, whatever jet fuel. Pretty cool, pretty cool. We got guns everywhere right here on the sides. So this one's not made for like weaponry. I don't know what's it. But yeah, so we're gonna go inside here right now. I'll see you guys once we're inside because it's a long line. Made it to the top. Emergency. Let these sit down. Watch it. Shane, you want to sit in the seat? Not right there. Not right there. Obviously. Hey, Jordan. Hecka scared. Dude, look at this. That's how you parachute out. I don't want to turn around yet. Look, an old first aid kit.
Wow. Look at all that.
Smells weird in here. Pretty cool, pretty cool.
This is what's inside here.
Some crazy stuff.
Kids going down.
Because we're not pilots.
Wow, look at that.
Come on.
Moving planes now. Yeah, we're moving planes now. It's not like because I have a camera in front of my face. Make it in. One of them. Oh, we're going to this one now. Hope you guys can hear. It doesn't say not to.
Yeah. They can't.
Well, just how.
Come this way, guys.
Just kind of.
Step over here.
Hope I don't get in trouble for this because I could be doing. Do not sit in seat. So I don't know if I can go over here, but I don't want to do anything illegal because I just got here. Basically, just imagine back when this works. It's like getting the wind in your hair, wind in your hair. What the heck? I've been left. I've been left again. Which one do we go? Which way to go?
There's too many people.
No, you're just not used to a lot of people. Stay in your remote. Just so changing directions right now. Going to this plane. I'm gonna get in the one behind me because it's a stupid long line. I'm retarded. Just pretty decent size. You know, I own like 5 of these. I'm kidding, bro. Chill, man. He's like those like, I'm not Lil Tay. Yeah, I just bought $1 million. What do you buy $1 million? She retarded. She's that dumb. Okay, let's go inside. After this. There's an original pilot somewhere. Is that a bell or a light? Look at the radar. This is crazy. So my question is, how do you get below that little bump? Tiny little bathroom.
Jenny.
Alright, so we're pretty much leaving this plane right now. Well, on the way back, some guy stopped my stepdad to ask him to take a picture, and he was saying like, oh, he worked, this is the first plane he ever worked on and stuff. Pretty interesting, But like, look, Canadian. It's a Canadian plane. Canada. Ooh. This one, I don't know. I think this is Swedish. Probably Swedish, most likely. And this is a Target. My little belly. Can't have money. But yeah, so we're gonna find another plane to explore. And pretty cool stuff. Do some Lego things. I'm scared, bro. There's like filled with police. This tandem helicopter. I want to try this.
Can I come down?
That's where the vehicles and stuff. It's crazy. Try and hold this.
These fly over?
Yeah, they flew it in.
Good idea?
Sure, that's usually more of it. They drove away. Well, no, there was, they're all, so like the engines, they're all.
Good idea? Nope.
Oh, did they?
I don't know how to get it off, so I'm not gonna do it. You can go look. That's crazy. I'm just gonna wander off from the group. Go check out the guys on painted windows. I don't know if this U.S. Air Force got some weird looking warning approach from front. I don't know, got some weird looking helicopter right here.
This way, little man, this way. The big plane, and then we'll go by.
We got the propeller. First, we got a weird looking.
Yeah, that place we're gonna go eat at has a truck here.
Weird looking helicopter. Weird looking helicopter. The heck? I don't know. See you guys in the next plane. New plane, basically. This is a humongous tire. For like half the size of it. Oh, look, a go ahead's gonna pop the tire. Watch out, guys. Watch out. We're gonna go up this. Explore.
You can't go in with the cereal.
Excuse me, Bodie. Watch out, Bodie. Going his own way.
Careful.
Whoa.
Careful. Thank you.
Shine, this is. Got some old weapons. Oh my god, it's hot in here. Petite. Tiger fleet. This is an old parachute. Yeah. Oh, dude, it looks painted from the outside. The heck? That's crazy. Look, you can see it outside the window, but I'll show you guys on the outside. You can't see it. It's like crazy. So we're gonna go into that one. Hog hauler. Crazy. Come on, Jennifer. Let's go with me. Jennifer, come here. We're gonna go in this plane right here. Alright? Alright, I'm gonna show you guys what to do now. How to carry the hog.
Okay, then apologize to you.
Whoa. Don't pet the dog. Do not pet the dog.
The dog's okay.
Come here, Juniper. Juniper. Junie. This is crazy. I gotta leave out. I got a little girl over here. This is crazy. Look at this. Just imagine back in like World War I or II when this thing was operating. Just set that down, just drive and shoot with this, and then crazy how good condition this is too. The hitch. There was something in there. Crazy. With Matt. I don't know. The treads right there.
Like a car that you're supposed to, they have a
Yeah. There's a big ladder behind me. Hope you guys can see it. I just want to climb that like all the way up there, but that'd be lit. Ah, they won't let me. Huh. See the size difference. Pretty small. Pretty small. Okay, this pole is how that's the intake. That goes in our water, are dead. Literally. Interesting. What is interesting? Warning, warning, warning. Do not attempt any repair, adjusting, etc. without referring to the handbook of instruction. There's an instruction manual to this thing? Hell, bro. Holy hell, no. Holy damn, bro. Dang, man. This is old fire truck. Old fire truck. Let's go look in this window real quick. Check it. We're going to this. It's an old fire truck. Old fire truck. Going in this one right here. I'll get you guys when we're inside. Buzzkill be like, I can't even go in no more. Retard, I swear. Oh, you the cats. But, respect it. These planes are sick, bro. I'm basically getting lost. I'm trying to get in a big plane, like a huge plane, but they won't let me. Pissing me off. Oh, that one right there. That one. I'm going in that one. I see it. I'm already targeted. Alright, so I just ditched my family. Like, I just told them where I was going. I'm gonna go into that big plane. I wish I could go into this one. I feel like they're closing them all up, but you know, let's try it anyways. Undercover police. Let's go. So I'll get you guys one more. I'm playing right now, but wait a little bit. Oh dang. It's crazy. I want to see one of those jets here. I want to. Oh, bed to sleep on. So where they would play cards. Look how low the roof is. Like, they had to walk in. It's like someone's. I'm gonna go see what's back here.
Communication. Hey, look at the window. Communications up here.
We literally have so much stuff back there, like so many people back there. I'm not gonna deal with it. So stand right in front of this fan. The big opening to a plane. Not that interesting no more. Alright, I'm gonna get down this way. Alright, I'm out of that right now, so let's go to one of these. Rescue. Whoa, cool. I'm gonna go more towards I'm gonna go to that big plane that's like right there. Let's see if I can get it in. I doubt it, but let's try it anyways. But first, let's look at these small planes. I was just in that one. So we got some World War I and World War II. cannons and stuff.
Welcome to Tesla Air Museum's Open Cockpit Festivity. Have you ever had the urge to fly like an eagle? Well, today is a chance to explore the
So it looks to me like I can't go in this plane or I'm right under like holy butts. Holy crap, dude, this thing is huge. So I'm gonna try to, I guess this is like a bomber or something. Because of this right here. 100% a bomber. 100%. So I'm just gonna keep walking around looking. If I can get on the plane with a small line, then I'll do that. But this line is so big, you don't know what it is. I think that's the exit. I think you need a pass for this one too, which is retarded. It's gay. So, yeah, it's like, look how big it is. The wings go about for like another humongous, a whole bunch of wasps, but you know. I'm gonna try other ones. And then turn around. But then we'll try to get the helicopter lift-off ride. Because there's a helicopter right back there. So I'll get to you guys when I find something interesting. I'm going to plane. Crazy. This is a Coast Guard thing, and this, I guess this is the exit. I don't know, but this is a Coast Guard aircraft. Looks like people like broke the windows. The helicopter takes off like right there on the other side of that fence. I'll try to get it for you guys if I can. So I'm gonna get out of here before it's plane. Alright, so that plane right over there, I was just in it. I don't know if it recorded because my GoPro just goes out, that's why I had to take it out of this. But yeah, so I'm gonna find another plane and get back to you guys to look at it. Whoa. Well, looks to me like you put two people right here. One's the looker thing. I don't know what the heck that is for. This is a flyer. And I don't know what. Two more people back here. 4-person plane. Not bad, not bad. I don't know what the rest does, but it's interesting.
You don't have to do
That got annoying. All the helicopters coming down. Solo in, so I'll try to get that for you guys. Down before it comes. Gotta do all of them. He's coming down. 1-person cockpit. Headrest. I don't know what this does, but I don't know how they talk. Oh dang, it's coming down. Gotta get the views, Clickbait. That is crazy. This is insane. Literally and crazy. But look, it's the future of this. So once this plane retires, it goes here. So I'm gonna try to get a clickbait video. Crazy, dude. I swear, bro, that is crazy. I hope I got that thumbnail. It's probably not gonna work, but you know, hope you try it. I gotta start running. Like, I looked at everything. I'm literally at the back of everything. So I gotta start running because my parents are gonna kill me because I took too long. And I said in just a second because the babies are starting to cry. That's crazy. So, get back to you guys. film it and I'm leaving. What the hell is this? I don't know, but I gotta go.